Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. So this is an issue that you can face whenever you're trying to open Roblox. So the main reason that you're all facing the issue is you're all using a backdated or old version of Roblox. So let me show you how to fix this issue. Firstly, what you have to do is just simply click on the three dots at the top right over here. Go to settings. Now click on privacy and security. Then site settings. Then click on third-party cookies. Now scroll down. Click on see all site data and permissions. Over here, just simply search for Roblox. Now you should find Roblox right over here. So over here, just simply click on the drop down box right over here and see how many cookies you have. Just simply delete all of the cookies by choosing Roblox. Click on trash icon right over here. Then just simply click on delete. Now after you have done that, go back, reload your page and don't do anything right now. Now after you have done that, just simply hold Window plus R key on your keyboard and type in %local app data. Then again close it with %. Now just simply hit enter. Now a new folder should open up in front of you. So over here you have to find few things. Firstly, just simply search for Roblox folder. You will find by typing R on your keyboard and you should find Roblox right over here. Click on this folder and over here just simply click on the versions. It is the right folder. So just simply go back to this Roblox over here. Then go back to local. Now delete this Roblox folder from here. Just simply right click, delete. Now it is going to take some time, so be patient and wait for it. So after it is deleted, now go back to the browser. Now open any game that you like. So let's say this one over here. So click on the play icon. Now log into your game. Now click on play. Now over here just simply open Roblox launcher. Now wait for a few seconds. And if nothing happens, click on download and install Roblox. Download the application first, then install it. So after the installation is complete, close this. Again, click on the play icon. Now open Roblox client and now it should open up within few seconds, just like this. Now, firstly what you will do is close it, close Roblox. There should be a shortcut on your desktop. So right click on the shortcut, properties, compatibility, enable these two options over here. Then click on apply and now your Roblox should be fixed. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.